Worry does not empty tomorrow of its sorrow. It empties today of its strength. This insightful quote by Corrie ten Boom sets the perfect foundation for our discussion on managing worry and fear. Often these emotional states are not just passing clouds, but persistent shadows that can darken our daily experiences and potential. Worry and fear are natural human responses designed to alert us to potential dangers, preparing us for action. However, when these feelings become chronic, they can cripple rather than caution. Understanding how to manage these emotions effectively is crucial for leading a balanced and fulfilling life. In this essay, we will explore strategies to mitigate the effects of worry and fear, backed by recent data and scientific insights. The goal is to equip you with practical tools that can transform these paralyzing emotions into constructive alerts that effectively guide rather than govern your life. By addressing this topic, we aim to shed light on the shadows, turning worry and fear into understanding and caution, thereby enhancing overall well-being and life satisfaction. Worry and fear, while biologically necessary, can become destructive when they persist beyond their functional purpose. Chronic worry can lead to a range of psychological issues, including anxiety disorders, depression, and even cognitive impairments. Fear triggers the body's fight or flight response, which, if continuously activated, can exhaust the body physically and mentally. These emotions can also disrupt daily activities, making it difficult to concentrate, make decisions, or even maintain interpersonal relationships. The constant anticipation of danger puts the body and mind in a state of high alert, leading to fatigue and decreased immune responses over time. According to mental health experts, living in a state of perpetual fear and worry is akin to putting your psychological resilience through a rigorous, never-ending stress test without any recovery period. This can erode mental fortitude and significantly reduce quality of life. Furthermore, the ripple effects of these emotions can extend into one's social life, affecting relationships and social interactions. People overwhelmed by worry may withdraw socially, feel irritable, or become overly dependent on others for reassurance, which strains personal connections and can lead to isolation. Managing worry and fear begins with recognizing their triggers. Identifying what specifically worries you or what you fear is the first step towards managing these emotions effectively. Once these triggers are recognized, they can be addressed through targeted strategies such as cognitive behavioral techniques, which involve reframing negative thoughts. Expert practical steps include maintaining a daily journal to log thoughts and fears, which can help in recognizing patterns and triggers. Engaging in regular physical activity is also crucial as it reduces stress hormone levels and increases the production of endorphins, enhancing your mood and overall sense of well-being. Mindfulness and meditation have proven effective in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression associated with chronic worry. These practices help in fostering a state of awareness and presence, allowing individuals to experience their thoughts and feelings without judgment. Another vital step is to establish a support system consisting of friends, family, or professional counselors who understand and can provide emotional support and practical advice when dealing with overwhelming emotions.
Chronic worry and fear have tangible effects on physical health, which have been extensively documented in scientific studies. According to a recent study published in the American Journal of Science, prolonged exposure to stress hormones, primarily cortisol, can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, hypertension, and a weakened immune system. Further research cited in PubMed illustrates that chronic emotional stress can exacerbate conditions like asthma and gastrointestinal disorders. The body's stress response, meant to be temporary, becomes constantly activated in the chronically worried or fearful, leading to long-term detrimental health effects. The same studies suggest that managing these emotions can lead to significant improvements in these conditions. Therefore, addressing worry and fear is not only a matter of mental health, but is crucial for maintaining physical health as well. The interaction between mental and physical health highlights the importance of holistic approaches in healthcare, which address both emotional and physical aspects of well-being.
Have you ever noticed how worry and fear affect your day-to-day life? What are the common triggers that set off these emotions in you? Reflecting on these questions can help you understand your personal experiences with these powerful emotions. How do you currently cope with worry and fear? Are there specific strategies or activities that help you manage these feelings effectively? Sharing your techniques might provide new insights or reaffirm the effectiveness of common strategies. Would you consider trying one of the management techniques discussed in this essay, such as mindfulness or maintaining a thought journal? Why or why not? Engaging with these questions can help in exploring viable options for managing emotions and enhancing personal well-being. Lastly, in what ways do you think improving how we handle worry and fear could impact our community as a whole? This question invites you to think beyond personal experience towards the collective benefits of emotional well-being. Your thoughts and experiences are invaluable, and sharing them could help others feel less alone in their struggles. I encourage you to leave a comment below discussing how worry and fear manifest in your life and what strategies you have found helpful in managing them. Discussion not only helps in spreading knowledge, but also in building a community of support where people can learn from each other's experiences. Whether it's a personal anecdote or a tip that might seem trivial, your contribution can make a significant difference. Do you have questions about the content discussed or suggestions for future topics? Feel free to express them in the comments section as well. This is a space for learning and sharing, and your input is highly valued. Let's create a dialogue that not only addresses the challenges, but also celebrates the successes in managing worry and fear. Together, we can foster a supportive environment that encourages growth and understanding.
Your thoughts and experiences are invaluable, and sharing them could help others feel less alone in their struggles. I encourage you to leave a comment below discussing how worry and fear manifest in your life and what strategies you have found helpful in managing them. Discussion not only helps in spreading knowledge, but also in building a community of support where people can learn from each other's experiences. Whether it's a personal anecdote or a tip that might seem trivial, your contribution can make a significant difference. Do you have questions about the content discussed or suggestions for future topics? Feel free to express them in the comments section as well. This is a space for learning and sharing, and your input is highly valued. Let's create a dialogue that not only addresses the challenges, but also celebrates the successes in managing worry and fear. Together, we can foster a supportive environment that encourages growth and understanding.
Thank you for taking the time to read this essay on managing worry and fear. It is my hope that the insights shared here will not only inform but also inspire you to take active steps towards managing these often debilitating emotions. Gratitude is also due to the researchers and clinicians whose work has provided us with the understanding and tools to better manage our emotional health. Their continued efforts make a significant impact on our ability to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. Remember, managing fear and worry is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take is a move towards a more balanced and enjoyable life. Thank you for your attention and willingness to engage with this important topic.
For more insightful content like this, don't forget to follow our educational channel, Facts Academy 0122, on your preferred social media platforms. We regularly post articles, videos, and other resources that can help you understand and improve various aspects of your life, including emotional well-being. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge that can aid in personal growth and health management. Join our community today and take advantage of the resources we offer that can support your journey towards better mental and physical health. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you at Facts Academy 0122. Your journey towards a less worried and fearful life begins today.